Today, we're talking about something bigger than just honesty. We're talking about the character of our government.
Right, we all expect people to be honest. But what about our institutions? That's a whole different level.
A lot of ethics is just about not doing bad stuff. Probity flips that. It's about aiming for the absolute best.
Let's think of it like a ladder. The very first step, the baseline, is just plain old honesty, being truthful.
Okay, let's climb up a rung. Now we're at integrity. This is honesty with rock-solid moral principles. And right at the very top, that's probity. It's when integrity is baked right into the system itself. So here's the key difference. Integrity is about a person. Probity, that's about the office they hold.
Okay, nice idea, but how do you actually make it happen? Well, turns out there's a blueprint for that.
It's called the Nolan Principles, basically a 7-step guide for public service. Let's jump in.
First 3 are huge. Act only for the public good, avoid outside influence, and make calls based on merit. Next up, you've got to be accountable, be totally open about decisions, and be upfront about any conflicts.
And the last one, leadership, is what holds it all together. You have to lead by example.
So why does all this matter so much? Well, it gets to the very foundation of our society.
It all comes down to this idea of a social contract. We give the government power and trust them to use it for us. And when you have probity, you get results. More trust, less corruption, more fairness, and real development happens.
So think of probity as the ethical operating system for government. It's what makes the whole thing work. Which leaves us with one final big question. How do we, the people, make sure this standard is actually being met?